Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you about the most beautiful sink I have ever seen. Holy cannolis, this sink is beautiful. It just gave my kitchen the upgrade that it needed. Now I feel like I have to change the rest of my kitchen just to keep up with how bougie and beautiful my sink is. Let me tell you about this sink. It comes in stainless steel and also this gunmetal black, and that's what I got. It comes with a lot of accessories. It comes with the sink guard, a roll-up dry rack. It comes with a strainer and a cutting board. All of them are in excellent condition. They're very durable. I gotta tell you, I have not been easy on this sink. I've got a family that I feed and I've got dishes to do, and this thing has shown no signs of wear. It's like scratch resistant. I'm sure if you try real hard you could, but it just seems to hold up to everything that I put it through. Now, anyone that's put in a sink knows that it's not real easy to do, but this was relatively easy. It came with everything that we needed to install it. It came with the sink clips as well as the whole drain assembly and also a drain plug. I was surprised to see that. Another thing that I really love about this sink is everything is very easy to store. So if you don't want the dry rack or any of that stuff in there, you can just take it all out and put your baby in it and give it a bath. So that's fantastic. So whether you're bathing your baby or cleaning dishes or whatever you're doing in this sink, it's very easy to clean and you can't beat that. This kitchen sink is fantastic. It is beautiful, it is functional, it is everything that I wanted it to be. But that's just my point of view.